Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name is Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the center string method. What the center string method does is center a string inside a certain amount of index numbers, which will be the padding on that left and right hand side. Now, mainly we would only use this in the interpreter or in a terminal or something like that, or console. And the reason being, there's better methods to centering a string if you're using a GUI or if you're building a website online. You could use CSS, so there's better methods to this, but hey, we are determined to try to teach you guys everything in Python, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and take a look at one example here. We're going to go ahead and say A is equal to I'm centered. Oops, like that. All right. And what we're going to do is do A.center. Now, the center method takes one argument, require one argument, and that's how many index positions do you want the string to span. All right. And then comma. And then the next argument is going to be what kind of characters do we want to have that fill that empty space on left and right hand side. So we're going to go ahead and close out, and without me saying it, I just did it. I put white space in there. All right, hit return, and notice we got a centered string within 20 index positions, and on each side is white space. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at another one. And like I said, 20 is required, and the second argument is not required. So let's take a look at that. Let's do A center, and we're going to say 20, and then we're just going to close it out with parentheses. Hit return. I got the same one as this up here. So default, if we don't provide a second argument of the fill character, it is white space, as you can see. All right, let's just take a crack at one more just so you guys can see using a different character. So A.center, and then we're going to use 30 this time, comma, and then we're going to go ahead and pass in the asterisks like that and hit return. There we go. We're centered, and then we put the padding on each side of the center, and we got stars or asterisks or whatever. So there you go. There's the center string method. Like I said, most likely in production, you're going to use the GUI to center your strings, or you're going to use some kind of web CSS styling to center it. I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, head over to mastercode.online and let us know there.